Choose the patient and create a new case. In the pop-up window, select the lab to which you'll send the case. On the order page, press Single Units, then either Standard Post and Core Retained Crown, or Anatomical Post and Core, and select the tooth. Then select the post type, material for the post and core, and lastly, the material for a crown if added, and a shade if it's needed. Finally, set the delivery date by clicking the Delivery Date button. Now proceed to the scan page. You'll have to make 4 scans: lower arch without scan posts, this will be the master model, lower arch, just adding scan posts, and antagonist, which is the upper arch in this case, and then the bite. First, use retraction cord and/or hemostatic agents if parts of the margin line are subgingival. In this case, start by scanning the opposing arch to allow time for the retraction methods to take effect. As the preparation is on the lower arch on this particular case, start by scanning the upper arch. While scanning, follow the official scan strategy. Now scan the lower arch without the scan post. It's important to scan the same area as in the upper jaw for the best possible bite later on. Leave the retraction cord in place and scan the arch. Then trim away the margin in the scan using the trim tool. Remove the retraction cord, dry the teeth, and scan the margin immediately, before the gingiva collapses. Finally, mark the preparation. You'll see a blue overlay around the preparation mark, indicating the area that will be automatically cut out when going to the Scan Post page. If necessary, you may reposition the prep mark to obtain your desired cutout. Always use the smallest cutout area possible for a given restoration. Now proceed to the Scan Post and Core page. Insert the Scan Post in the prepared canal and start the scanner pointing at the neighbouring tooth. Once the scanner has picked up the position, slowly move to the Scan Post and circle around it to scan it from all angles. Now remove the Scan Post and scan the bite. Insert the scan tip to the second molar on the buccal side. Ask the patient to bite. Scan 3 to 4 teeth until the upper and lower arches snap to the bite scan. The light blue surface indicates the surface covered by the bite scan. The alignment is done automatically. However, if it fails, proceed to the manual alignment. Go to the Analyze page to confirm that there's enough space for the reconstruction between the upper and lower jaw. Post-processing will be done automatically when you send the order. However, it is recommended to do post-processing first if you wish to set the margin line before sending. Finally, switch to the Send page. You'll see a summary of the order. Press the Send button to send the order.